Hello and welcome back to HTML tutorials. This time we're going to look at backgrounds because at the moment it's just white, which is alright, but it would be nicer if we had a background. So we're going to add another one of these things. I'm going to put it at the top and we'll call it body instead of P or a class. And this basically means this is styling. This is dealing with anything in the body. So yeah. So like that, and I'm gonna put background hyphen, and then first of all we're gonna do color, and then a colon, and then. So you could put blue, I think. Blue, yay! But see, I don't like that blue. I'd rather have a nicer blue. And how you select your blue very specifically is you do it in sort of binary. But don't worry, it's a lot simpler than it sounds. You just do RGB, and this stands for red, green, and blue. And you've probably seen it before. It's just the ratio of red, green, and blue to each other. So if you want it bright red, you just put, you want it to be all red, and maybe a little bit of green and blue. And then you want some brackets, and in there you put 3 numbers. So we want a blue. So for red, we can put 0, then a comma. Green, we can put 0, a comma. And for blue, we put 255. And 255 is the max number you'll go up to. There we go. It's still blue, because that's how the blue works. But if we say 100 of green and 100 of red, and we go back. Now it's sort of a teal colour. There's less blue. Maybe only 50 red. See what that's like. There you go. That's quite nice. So that's how you do background color. And of course, if you just write, I think this will make black. Probably. No, white. All 255 is white. Yeah, you can just mess around with it, see what colors you get, or if you go on the interwebs, there are pages that give you, you select the color you want and they'll give you the code. So you have a background color, but what if you want a background image? It's very similar. What you do is instead of background color, it's background image, and then a colon, and then you write URL or URL and some brackets, and in there, if we go to my website folder, you've got the files in there. I've put in this background image. I just call it background, and notice a .jpeg. If yours isn't a .jpeg, then if it's a PNG, it will be .png. I don't know if bitmap is supported. You could look it up. But generally, JPEG or PNG. Mine's a JPEG, so I'll do .png. It's called .background though. If you're worried about spelling, you can go on to just rename and copy that. Then in your URL, you want to put background or the name of what it's called. And mine's a .jpg, so I'm going to put .jpg, or mine's a .jpeg anyway. And then now, if we go here, you have your background as a whatever you put it as. I mean, it is massive, but you can size it down. It's not perfect, but it'll do for now. And yeah. That's probably all I'm going to do this time. If you enjoyed that, remember to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope I helped you out with your background images. There are ways of making it full screen to your page, but that's a bit complicated, and maybe talk about that another time. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Peace out.